Welcome to the image to image section of Stable Diffusion online course. Here we are going to trick Stable Diffusion and make it generate a desired image. So Stable Diffusion takes in a text prompt and a starting noisy image. Instead of passing a random noisy image as starting image, we are going to directly pass a starting image to AI model. This way, the output is going to be heavily influenced by our input image. We are going to see different techniques in how this can be used. So using Playground AI, we will see how to generate a image variant, transform a doodle or sketch to a painting, fuse an image with new styles, see in painting and how we can add, remove and replace objects, how to edit images using Instruct Pix to Pix AI model, see out painting, and as post-processing steps, we'll see how to fix faces and upscale images for production use. So let's get started.